There's Lola. Hi, Lola. What? What? You're a little comedian, aren't you? Ah, don't chew on that. No, no. Good boy. Hi. Well, I'm gonna go say hi to Razor. Razor's over here. Where's Razor? Hey, little Razor. Hi, Razor. What are you doing? You pretty boy? Are you pretty boy? You pretty boy? Yeah. Hello. What? What? You got some names in there? Huh? And then the bad bird's on the floor again. You little bratty. No eating shoes. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. What? Hello. Hello. Don't eat those shoes. You are a goofy little bird. Come on. Come on, big bird. Come on. Oh, you freshies. Give me your feet. Up, up. Good boy. Hello. Huh. What? Why don't you show me your pretty boy face, huh? What's that? Yeah. What? Hi. Hi. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, he's so fuzzy. He's so fuzzy. Hello. Hello. What? Hello. Let's go back to your cage then. You're not going to dance for me? You're not going to dance for me? Hello. Hello.